Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this security camera below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the eufy Security SoloCam S340, a 3K dual-lens solar security camera, and this is currently Amazon's choice, with over 3,000 units sold in just the past month. Let's start with image quality. This camera captures ultra-clear 3K resolution up to 40 feet, or 12 meters, and it includes 8x zoom, so you're actually getting sharp, detailed visuals of what matters, not blurry footage you have to squint at. Power is handled entirely through solar charging. You install it once, and thanks to the removable solar panel, it just keeps running without you thinking about batteries or charging cables ever again. One of the standout features here is genuinely full coverage. With 360-degree pan and tilt surveillance, and by installing the camera vertically, you eliminate blind spots almost entirely, so whether you're checking your front porch, monitoring the backyard, or keeping an eye on the driveway, one camera handles all of it instead of needing multiple units. Installation is refreshingly simple too. This is a wire-free design that takes about 7 minutes to set up, so you're not dealing with an all-day installation project or needing to call in help. For storage, this uses local storage with no monthly fee at all. It's a one-time purchase, no hidden subscription costs, no recurring charges just to access your own footage. It's also certified to work with Alexa, so when paired with a Screen Alexa device, you can simply say, "Alexa, show the front door camera," and pull up your live feed instantly. Overall, if you want genuinely wide coverage, sharp image quality, and zero monthly fees in a solar-powered security camera, the eufy SoloCam S340 is a really strong pick for outdoor home security. I'll leave the link to this eufy SoloCam S340 in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.